The right. No, that's not the right angle for this Instagram picture. Here, let's try like this, No. I swear, I can never get the perfect Instagram photo. If you're anything like me, you're sitting around at home, scrolling through Instagram wondering, wow, I see all these amazing people, all these amazing pictures, and I'm here at home trying to take a picture, trying to make myself feel good, look good about myself, all just for an Instagram picture. Yes, crazy I know, but you know what? Hey, I want to like take a cool Instagram pic that I feel good in and feel like a baddie, and I want to show the world because hey, why not? It's social media, it's fashion, let's have fun, let's do us. Well, I actually have the solution for you today. Yes. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jaden Turner, and if you're new, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jaden Turner, and for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to take the perfect Instagram photo to make you feel like the best baddie or most handsome man you are. And yes, it's all going to be from at home in your at-home studio that you're going to be able to build, and I'm going to teach you how. So without further ado, let's all get started. I already have my outfit picked out, and I already have my little at-home studio gear ready, so I'm going to explain everything and then we're going to hop into this video. First thing is first, when you want to take an Instagram photo, you want to actually be able to have an amazing outfit and come up with something very detailed, something creative, something that'll look cool. So going along with this look for today, I'm actually doing a Levi's theme, and I actually kind of like this outfit that I'm in, so I might take some pictures in this as well after I get the at-home studio built up first. But I have this Levi's like long sleeve right here, button up. And then I also have these Levi's pants, and then I also have Levi underwear and Levi's socks on. I'm not sure if I'm saying Levi or Levi's. I know I'm saying that multiple plural, and I know I'm messing up on that, but it just sounds weird the way I'm saying it, so I just have to change it. Anyways, guys, so I'm going to be doing a little Levi's shoot today, and it's going to be me basically in the pants and the underwear, and then the underwear and the socks, and then maybe this in the underwear and the socks, and then maybe just some of me like posing in just like the underwear, you know, like a little underwear shoot and stuff. So after that, that's pretty much my outfit, but I'm going to give you guys some pointers and tips really quick on how to choose the best outfit that really accents your style. One, I want to say if you want to choose a post or whatever you're deciding to post on Instagram. Let's say if you were trying to go for a specific brand, you want to see what brand you're targeting. So one thing I actually used to do in all my Instagram photos, I used to tag all different kind of brands. But what I actually started to notice is that most digital creators that I see that are promoting brands are actually only doing one brand at a time. So even if you are wearing multiple brands, I say choose one brand that you want to stand out. So let's say if it's like you're wearing a dope t-shirt, like let's say this see-through t-shirt was made by like Calvin Klein or like wherever. I got this shirt from actually Shein, like not gonna lie, and this jacket as well. And these glasses are all from Shein, like literally. Amazing. Love Shein. But long story short, when you're choosing an outfit, let's say if I wanted to do Shein, and my pants are not from Shein, nor are my shoes, but also I'm just going to tag Shein, and then for the Shein items at the bottom, I'm going to mention them like Shein top, jacket, and glasses. And then you get what I mean? Then people be like, OMG, like those are some cute like glasses, or that's a cute shirt, or that's cute. Like, you get what I mean? Long story short, bigger creators are working with like Prada, Louis Vuitton and stuff, and they're only tagging one brand, but also even going back before, I even noticed like people like Emma Chamberlain, you know, like she really loved Levi's, so she would always tag Levi's because she loves their pants, and then long story short, she ended up getting a deal with Levi's. Another pointer besides tagging that one specific brand, you guys, is you actually want to target that one item as well and make that the main statement of your piece. So for example, let's say if I was doing Shein, and even though I have these 3 items, let's make these 3 items stand out in my piece the most. So in my pictures, I'd be like, ooh, I like, and you get what I mean? And then like really have some like close-up shots of like the shirt, and like maybe have like some of just like the shades, and like, you get what I mean? And then I would also just like tag Shein, because Shein would be the main thing, so I wouldn't really try to target the jeans and the shoes. But of course I would have a picture like later on, because now that Instagram has the option for you to scroll through posts, you can have your few main items and then also have your full fit, or however you want to arrange those photos. And other than that, those are pretty much the tips fashion wise, besides trying to do one specific brand in your post, and then also making that the main statement in your piece and try to bring it out the most. And also in general, having fun, being creative, and just being you, because overall in the game of social media, and even taking pictures. It's all about making yourself feel confident in the way you are and just being you, being bold, and being the baddest bee you are. So other than that, we're gonna get along with this video. I'm gonna teach you guys how to build your at-home studio. I actually already have these 2 sheets right here that I bought from Target. So I got some full white sheets, and I've never done this before. This is actually my first time. So we're actually going to be building our at-home studio together and trying this all out, because typically I go outside and go like downtown or drive around somewhere and go take pictures. But we're going to build our at-home studio, take some pictures, and we're going to see how they turn out. And also, you guys, I'm going to take some pictures on my phone, which is right here, and I'm going to take some on my camera. Typically, most of my Instagram pictures, at least now, are taken on my camera. At least I try to do that, just because like I think my camera looks better than my phone, and they come out nicer, and it already like blurs out the background and stuff for me, and it just really focuses on certain things. But the harder thing about that is sometimes it doesn't work, and I have to take like billions of shots to get like just a very few good ones. But with my phone, I can control the lighting and everything. So we're gonna do both, and we're gonna see how they all turn out. And other than that, let's get along with this video. Let's go build our at-home studio, and then we're gonna go take some photos. Story short, if you're able to be in a closed space like an extra guest bedroom like me, just because we have this extra guest bedroom in my house, I'm going to turn this into my home studio. You want to be able to shut the door and also cover any windows and control the amount of light that you have, and also have a ring light, just because my ring light, I'm able to control the temperature of the light to make it very white or make it, you know, kind of darker. And then it just depends on the lighting and the temperature that you want that fits your skin tone. Me, I like to play around with this sometimes, and I'm not gonna lie, depending on the day and the colors of the tones that I'm wearing, different temperatures of lighting will look better on me. I'm gonna shut up. We're gonna change this room into my at-home studio, because I've actually filmed this clip like several different times because I messed up talking. And yeah, cue the music, Jaden, and build what you need to build, dude. Let's get this done really quick. I'm all done with the photo shoot. I'm in my underwear as well, you guys, and not gonna lie, I do want to apologize. I was not able to take any photos on my phone, just because to take the photos on my camera, I actually needed to use my phone. Therefore, I even wasn't able to record me actually taking photos of myself, just because I, you know, needed both of my cameras that needed to be put in use. So I do apologize about that, but I'm not gonna lie, the pictures did turn out amazing, and I took so many photos, and I was gonna take some more, but it's honestly just like I've already took so many, so it's like I'm not even gonna post all of these. Like, some of them are just gonna be kept just for me to see only. But I'm thinking I'm just gonna edit in here all of the photos so you guys can see them. You guys can pause it at any time. They'll just play really fast with some music, and then whenever you pause it, you'll see a photo. And yeah, you guys will get a cool collage of the photos I took right here at my at-home studio. So again, if you guys want to get the perfect Instagram photo while you're at home and feel like you're the most Instagram baddie or most handsome man that you are, literally, you guys set up an at-home studio, go buy you some white sheets, hang them up on a wall, put it on the floor, pick out an outfit, underwear shoe, clothing shoe, shirt shoe, jewelry, no matter what it may be. Like, you can literally do anything, get creative. And I also want to continue this, you know, and maybe, you know, next time add props and for the next like photo shoot or whatever ideas I come up with. But literally, you guys, they turned out so good and amazing, and I'm so excited to show you guys them and even post them on Instagram too. Like, I hope people like them. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed coming to my channel. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure to tune in and subscribe to the YouTube channel, because I have a lot of more exciting content coming for you guys. I'm even going on my first trip, like on a plane. And that's pretty crazy, because I've never been on a plane before. But yeah, that'll be another video for you guys to tune in on. So if you guys are ready and excited to come along on that journey with me, and you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload. Follow me on all my social media at Jaden Turner. I'll leave the links down below. I love you guys so much. And check out, like, what? Like, this is freaking like crazy, you know? And I really do think you guys should try this. It's really fun too, I'm not gonna lie. I had a music playing and everything. So literally I was just like in my own vibe, in my own world, and I literally felt like I was in LA doing my thing. But literally, I don't live in LA. I live in Bakersfield, which is not that far from LA. But you know, one day my dream, I'm gonna be hopefully maybe living out there or living out somewhere, and I'm gonna be maybe modeling for someone or some clothing brand, or you know, who knows. Just manifest manifesting some things is going to speak that into existence, because I want to try to work my way up there to where I could be able to do that. I feel like that would be a pretty cool accomplishment, and even just taking photos like these are pretty much fun, and I literally love it. So thank you guys again so much. I love doing YouTube, and I love all you guys and filming and doing videos and all that great stuff. I have so much again in store. I'm gonna shut up now. Bye guys. Make sure to check out my photos on Instagram and give them a like and comment if you like them. And hey, I'll catch you guys later. Mwah, mwah. Remember to be bold, be brave, be you, and be confident. Stay bad, besties. Bye.